I'm going to be showing you how to get paid on eBay. So here's the full sample guide to getting paid on eBay as a seller. So let's go through it step by step. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you set up your managed payments. So once you're here, what you need to do is just look at the bottom where you can find my eBay right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you have all of these options. Now you just need to scroll down till you find account, and right below it you have payments. Just tap there, and once you've done so, just tap on continue. And now what you need to do is just add your cards and accounts. So just tap on this option right here that says add cards and select what you want it for, and select your credit card or PayPal or Venmo if you have one. And now you can just enter your card info. So once you've done that, you just tap on add card and you're good to go. So that's how you get paid on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.